Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see two very healthy and delicious egg sandwich recipes which are super easy and quick to make. So let's get started with today's video. The first one is a scrambled egg sandwich. So let's start with the making process. For that, take a bowl and into it break 3 eggs or as per the quantity you want to make. Next, add around 1.5 tablespoons of milk. This will make the scrambled eggs creamy, soft and moist. Now whisk the eggs well. Next, heat a non-stick pan and add a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. Now add the beaten eggs and on medium to low flame, we need to gently stir the eggs so that they are scrambled well. Gently scrape off the eggs from the edges so that the eggs doesn't dry out. And now we'll quickly season the eggs with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of black pepper and a handful of chopped fresh dill leaves. Give this a good mix. Adding dill leaves is optional. If you have, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Finally, I will add some scallions or green part of the spring onions. Give this a mix and our scrambled eggs are now ready for making sandwiches. Next, take a slice of bread of your choice and place a lettuce on top of the bread slice. Now generously add the scrambled eggs on top of the lettuce. Next, place another bread slice and gently press it. And with a sharp knife, I will slice the sandwich into triangular portion for serving. Here you can see the inside part. So friends, do try this quick, easy and healthy scrambled egg sandwich recipe which you can pack in your kids tiffin box also. And now let's move on to our second sandwich recipe. And our second egg sandwich recipe is a creamy one but without adding any mayonnaise, which will be very tasty and at the same time healthy. So let's get started with the recipe. So for this egg sandwich recipe, you will need hard boiled eggs. I am using 3 boiled eggs which we need to chop them into small cubes like this. So chopping of the eggs is done and now I'm going to transfer this to a mixing bowl. Next I'm going to add some veggies to make my egg sandwich more healthy and filling. Here goes some grated carrots, some red, green and yellow bell peppers, 1 medium onion chopped, next goes some spring onions and some chopped fresh cilantro or coriander leaves. And now we shall prepare a creamy dressing for our sandwich filling. This is Epigamia's Greek yogurt. I'll be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of it. So instead of mayonnaise, I am adding Greek yogurt to make my egg sandwich more healthy. Next, I'll be adding garlic and herb cheese spread. Then goes 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix this well. For seasoning, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this one more time. And our easy, healthy and creamy dressing for the sandwich filling is ready. And now we need to add the creamy dressing over the chopped vegetables and egg. And with the help of a spoon and fork, we will toss and mix this well. So mixing is done and our filling is ready. And now time to prepare our egg sandwiches. For that, take a brown bread or any other bread of your choice and generously add the creamy egg and vegetable filling and spread it evenly. Next, add a cheese slice and place another slice of bread on top. Now heat a non-stick pan and drizzle few drops of oil into it. Brush the oil all over the pan. And when the pan is slightly hot, we will place the sandwiches side by side. And we will toast them till they are golden brown from both the sides. After a few seconds, flip the sandwiches as we need to toast both the sides. And by now our sandwiches are ready, so I will take them off. So our sandwich is ready, but before serving, I will slice them into half. And here goes our creamy and healthy egg sandwiches into the serving plate. Enjoy them as a quick breakfast or as a healthy snack recipe. You can see how colorful, creamy and yummy this sandwich looks. So friends, I hope you will try these two easy and healthy egg sandwich recipes. Also share your feedbacks and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more such interesting and yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.